Hello, and in today's video we're going to look quickly at how to add an image to a Weebly website. So we're going to start where we always start, which is in the sign in, after we've signed into our platform, and we want to edit the website here. So we go top right to edit site and we click on that to take us to the Weebly editing platform. And here is a page that we designed earlier. Okay, so let's assume we want to install another image here. Okay, so we go to the left of the board here and you can see we've got image, top left. Click on that and hold and drag it across. You can see the little blue line is showing you where the image is going to go. And in this case, I want it to go next to this image. Okay, so I'm going to put it there. And when I let go of click and hold, it puts the image there, like so. Okay. And then I'm going to I now want to put an image where that placeholder is. So I click once on there and upload photo. We find an image. Well, let's go with the standard with that and open. And that will then install that image there. So we've now got another image added there. If we want to move that image around in the website, we can do so by clicking on this bar here and dragging it to wherever we want it to go. Okay. That looks a little bit of a mess now, doesn't it? We might want it a bit smaller than that image. So what we can do is if we go onto here, you can see the little blue line there. If we put a blue square, if you put your cursor over it, the cursor changes from that to that, and then click and then drag it in to be smaller. And you can make that whatever size you want and then let go. And now you've got a smaller image. And then if you wanted, for example, to put text next to that, you could find the text block and drag that in. And again, it'll show wherever you want to put it. Okay. And if I put it there, what it does is it installs the image inside the text block. Okay, but I don't want that. I want the image and the text block to be separate. So what I'm going to do is drag my text block again, and I'm going to drag it to the edge of the installation there, and you can see there's a blue line there now, and let go, and it will now install the text next to the image. Okay, and then I can change my text as I wish. Now I might not want the text all the way over here and the image all the way over there, so I can either change where the image is by centering it in that space, or putting it to right align, or putting it to left align. Or alternatively, I can put my cursor over this blue separator line, okay, and then hit Shift on your keyboard and then left click on your mouse, and you can smoothly drag this to where you want it to be and then let go. Okay, if you wanted to make that image even smaller, you can click on the block and make it smaller, or alternatively, if you click on this line and then Shift and left click again and pull it left, it will automatically get smaller, or go right and it'll automatically get bigger until it gets to the size that it originally was. If you want this to fill this whole space, go to the little blue square, click and drag, and it'll drag it to the whole size of that space. Okay, so that was how to install an image space holder and then to put the image in the space holder. Okay, so let's just get rid of that text. We've got our image there. Now let's say we want to replace that image. So the placeholder is already there and it's already got an image in it. If we click on that image and then come up to replace image, we can then find another image that we might want. And we can install it. There we are. That's another image. So that's the current Weebly plan prices as of 2021. Okay, so if we don't want that image there, we can just click delete. And we're back to starting point. So quickly, one more time. Image, left-hand side. Drag it across to wherever you want it. Let's put it above this image this time. And there's the placeholder. Click on the placeholder. Upload a photograph. Change the size of the image as you wish. And that's your image installed. Then you can click on the image and you can either select the Lightbox option. So when you select Lightbox option, all that means is that when you click on this image once it's published, it will expand and then you can reduce it again. So it just blows up, zooms in. Or alternatively, you can add a link to it, any hyperlink you want. As I said, you can align it left, right, center, or right, and you can change the spacing around the image. So if we wanted to, say we didn't want that spacing there, just take out that and it reduces the spacing. Okay, put it back in again, like so. Okay, so that's how to install an image onto your website.